Welcome to our channel. Many term life policies include conversion options to permanent insurance. Follow these step-by-step instructions to convert wisely and avoid common pitfalls. Step 1. Review your current term policy to find the conversion provision. Check the policy document for deadlines, as most policies allow conversion only within a specific time frame. Step 2. Understand why you want to convert. Valid reasons include needing lifetime coverage for estate planning, developing health conditions that make new policies expensive, or wanting cash value accumulation. Step 3. Compare the conversion costs by requesting illustrations showing premiums, death benefits, and projected cash values for the permanent policies available through conversion. Step 4. Recognize the advantage of converting without medical underwriting. You can obtain permanent coverage at standard rates even if your health has declined since buying the term policy. Step 5. Evaluate which type of permanent insurance to convert to. Options typically include whole life, universal life, or variable universal life, each with different features and costs. Step 6. Consider converting only a portion of your term coverage rather than the entire amount. This reduces premiums while still providing some permanent protection. Step 7. Compare converting your existing policy versus buying a new permanent policy. If you're still healthy, a new policy might offer better rates or features than conversion. Step 8. Consult with an independent insurance professional or financial advisor before converting. Ensure the decision aligns with your overall financial plan and that you can comfortably afford the higher permanent insurance premiums. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.